Welcome to Sky Mitra, your friendly companion for science backed insights on everyday health, skincare, and more. Today, we are diving into one of the hottest buzzwords in skincare, that is hyaluronic acid. Is it just hype, or does the science actually support it? Let's find out with a real life example. Here, I am taking Pond's Superlight Gel, which is a common product used by women in India. Skincare products today are all about hyaluronic acid, but is it actually beneficial or just a marketing trend? Let's break it down using one of the most popular products in India, that is Pond's Superlight Gel. Every other product today claims to have hyaluronic acid, but is it genuinely effective or is it just another clever marketing gimmick? Let's uncover the truth. Meet Pond's Superlight Gel. Here's what we are testing. Pond's Superlight Gel. It's affordable. It's lightweight and non-sticky. It's especially marketed for oily and normal skin types, and yes, it proudly contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. What actually is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid, also called HA, is a natural sugar molecule or a mucopolysaccharide to be precise, which is found in your skin. It's a humectant, meaning it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. That's why it keeps your skin soft, firm, and plump. So here are the three different layers of the skin: the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. So we can see that low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is found at the top, and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid is found in the bottommost layer. What does science say? So, a 2022 systematic review published in the journal Dermatologic Therapy analyzed over 20 clinical studies on topical hyaluronic acid. These studies consistently showed that when hyaluronic acid is applied to the skin, it improves hydration, increases elasticity, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. What's happening at the molecular level is that hyaluronic acid binds to water molecules in the skin's extracellular matrix, creating a hydrating film that reduces transepidermal water loss. This not only makes your skin look plumper, but also improves its barrier function and softness. Some studies even reported increased fibroblast activity, which means improved collagen production over time. However, these effects depend on how deep the hyaluronic acid can penetrate, which brings us to our next slide. So, not all hyaluronic acid is the same. This is a lesser known fact that not all hyaluronic acid is the same. High molecular weight hyaluronic acid stays on the surface, perfect for hydration. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid penetrates deeper, giving better anti-aging effects. The real results depend on the form of hyaluronic acid used in the product. So we should be vigilant about it. What's inside the Pond's gel? So the Pond's Superlight gel contains hyaluronic acid. It also has glycerin, which is another great humectant which can hold water. Vitamin E, dimethicone for a smooth texture, and it's paraben free. A solid ingredient list for a budget friendly product. What are the real benefits of this product? What does this mean for your skin? You get deep hydration, especially if you have oily or combination skin. It absorbs quickly, feels light, and gives a natural glow with daily use. Just don't expect dramatic anti-aging miracles using this cream. Here is the final verdict. So is hyaluronic acid actually a hype? Not really, it's a science. But like everything, it depends on how it's used. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your favorite hyaluronic acid product, which you are using, and let me know how it is working for you. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.